Hello, it's Nick, and today I want to talk about typography essentials in Figma. We will start with the basic things such as changing the font family and move to more complex concepts such as creating text styles. Once we select a text area, we can modify font using the right panel. And Figma offers a real-time preview for our selection. We can change the font weight and font size. Figma also makes it easy to modify the line height. When line height is set to auto, it's selected based on the current font size. And we can also modify the letter spacing. It's a space between individual letters in the text. We can change the value to add more white space between the letters. It's also possible to align the text inside a content container. We can align the text to the middle, bottom, or the top of the container. Lastly, we can change text alignment to the center, right, or left side. We can find even more customization settings behind the three-dot icon. We can change text decoration, for example, make the text underlined or strike through. Change text case to uppercase, also known as all caps, lowercase, text with lowercase letters, and title case, when individual words in a sentence start with the title letter. Details tab also has a few interesting options that I highly recommend to check out. Hanging punctuation puts a quotation marks outside of the text container. A hanging list does the same thing for the bullet list. Case sensitivity form unifies all characters in a line. Position allows you to place elements like numbers at the upper or lower side of the text line. Fractions allow you to create fractions from numbers such as 1/2. A /0 helps to create a /0. Lastly, ordinals allows you to create an ordinal element. The final tab, which is called Variable, features font style properties, weight and slant. Weight slider gives you more precise control over the font weight. So you can change the slider and see a specific weight value associated with your selection. And slant, as the name suggests, is a text inclination. The last thing that I want to show you is how to create your text style. When we click on the four-dot icon, we will see a collection of the text styles that our Figma document has. Since our list is empty, let's create our first style by clicking the plus icon. The text style that we will create will use all properties of our selected text block. Let's give it a name, base 12, and click outside of our text block. As you can see, the newly created style, base 12, is available in the right panel. Let me show you the benefits of using text styles. When we create a new text element, it will use our text style. So you can see here that testing 1 has a base 12 style. Let's add another text element, testing 2. But we will detach the text style from this element. Now let's move to our text styles and change the font weight for the base 12 style. Let's make it bold. As you can see, our change applied automatically to the testing 1 since it uses base 12 style. But testing 2 stays the same because it doesn't use any style. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.